Hi, today is 14th day of communication skill enhancement practice. What we are doing is we are learning a skill of to communication in a English language in a formal manner. One thing common between you and me is we all want to grow in our life, and to growing in our life we have to communicate so many peoples. We have to communicate so many peoples. The way we communicate, the way we grow. Some people may agree with that, but I feel that the way we communicate, the way we grow. I remember there was a there in my company there was a presentation, and I have to give that presentation, and people know that my English is not that good, and they start commenting on me that you will be giving presentation and you will not able to speak properly English, and there will be too many mistakes, people will laugh, and something fun will happen. So people start imagining and commenting. But what I have done, I know that my English is weak. I am also not that good in PowerPoint presentations. But I have learned that from others. Some seniors are helping. Some people are just make fun of you, most of the people, but some people will try to help you, to guide you. Some people will guide you, and some people will make fun of you. To reach those people who can guide you, I had to give that presentation, and I need a mentor. So what I have done, I choose some people. I have chosen some people. I had chosen some people who was good in that skill, who is a good presenter. So I had reached that person, and in my company also same, and he has guided me how to make a good presentation, because I have to present my monthly work. So I have to prepare a good PowerPoint presentation. He has guided me throughout how to make a good PowerPoint presentation. So he guided me, and I have done that well. And then he also guided me. He had also guided me the way I should communicate. And what I've done, what I had done, I have make that presentation and practice it in the mirror, practice it when I'm standing somewhere. I'm just recalling and practicing. I had practicing it I had practiced it repeatedly. It is I have forgotten some lot of things, but I have just remembered that I have to give presentation, and I have to give the presentation in a very effective manner. So I had recalled everything. I had repeatedly practicing that the day this come that I have to give that presentation. So I had gone there, I had make that slides, and with a smile in face, I had to represent all the things in a very clear manner. And all the people of the stages, all the audience are very happy. There may be 60 to 70 people in the hall. All people are very happy with the way I communicate, the way I represent, the way I speak in English. Communication, English speaking, the way we represent yourself. The motive of the story, what I want to say is, thing can look very difficult to you. Something which looks very difficult is also achievable. It looks so much difficult, but that is achievable. How that can be achieved? That can be achieved with our continuous effort. If we first thing is our effort, our strong effort. Second thing is having a good mentor. You should have a very interest you should have a deep interest in your heart to learn that. And second thing is you should have a good mentor. The mentor will not come directly to you. You have to choose a mentor. You have to search a mentor who is cooperative, who is friendly, who has a very intense to help you. So we have to search that mentor who can help us. And after a strong desire, our second is who can help us. We will find that mentor. The third is we have to learn the things from the mentor. And the fourth is we have to practice that things. We have learned some things, then we have to practice. We have a hunger, we get something, but we have to grab that. How can we grab that? We grab that by practicing, by internalizing it. By internalizing it, goes to our subconscious mind. And when it goes to our subconscious mind, we can deliver it in a very fluent manner, in a flow state. We can deliver it more fluent manner. So that happened. And so what now we are doing? Now I have a hunger to learn communication skill in a formal manner with English language, because English language is a global language. And global language, if we have to reach the globe, the whole globe, most of the people of the world, then we have to speak English language. In India also, various states people do not know Hindi properly. So if we have to reach them, we have to speak in English. Because I have listened one quote that was touched my heart, that the network you have will be converted one day in your net worth. Because the network can be converted into net worth. So if you have to enhance your net worth, then you have to enhance your network. If you have to enhance your network, then you have to communicate them. You have to convince them. If you have to convince them, then you need to communicate well. And how to communicate well? In which language? You need English language. Why English language? Because most of the people have different culture and different languages. Every language is different. In India also there are different states speak in different languages. So if you have to communicate with so many peoples, you cannot be in Hindi language. If you use the Hindi language, the specific people you can connect. If you speak in English language, the network you can create is far large. So we have to learn English language. We have to practice communication skill in a formal way. So if you speak casually, nobody will want to listen to you. So if we have to speak in a formal manner, so what I am doing is practicing communication skills to enhance my skill as well as inspire people, so that they can practice. If you are listening my video, if you are watching my video, then you can practice on your own. You can listen my video. You can listen my video for 10 minutes, because you have to listen at least 30 minutes. My other video I have also spoken that you have to watch at least 30-minute English language daily to internalize it. You have to speak for 10 minutes by making video, reviewing it, then how much mistakes you are doing. You have to patch up that mistake gradually. It cannot happen in one day. Gradually you will just patching up the mistakes. The mistakes will vanish slowly. You will find that pronunciation mistakes, the grammatical mistakes, the body language mistakes, the other mistakes, the eye contact mistakes, the mistakes will vanish gradually if you will review those videos and continuously patching. If you are doing the mistakes in grammar, then you are just seeing that this type of mistakes you are doing, and gradually you are not doing the same mistakes. If your body language is very, if your hands are not moving, then you watch that your hands are not moving, then you can improve that day by day. If you think that your language, your voice is not audible properly, it may be people are not understanding you properly, or it may be not the voice is not that strong, so you have to create some good voice. For that you can go to some other thing, but you have to first you have to identify the problems. One quote what I can I have learned that problem which is identified is a problem half solved. So if you have to solve a problem, first you have to identify the problem. So how to identify the problem? You have to make a video, then you can watch that video, you can show your video to other experts, and they will find some mistakes in that. So how to recover that mistakes from other videos? When we are making next video, you try to remove some mistakes. You cannot remove all the mistakes at the next video itself. It will take time. It needs patience. So patience is the key. So keep patience, keep doing, keep improving. That is the message I want to give. Thanks for watching.